In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a paid job post on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. This process is fairly straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily manage your job postings. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your web browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this using Google, Microsoft, or your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account for extra security, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your identity. This typically involves entering a code that's sent to your registered phone number. It's a quick step but important to ensure your account's security. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of your LinkedIn homepage. You'll see a number of icons, but we're interested in the one labeled Jobs. Click on this icon, which will open the job section of LinkedIn where you can find all your job related activities. On the left hand side of the page, you'll see an option called Manage Job Posts. Click on that to proceed. If you're redirected to sign in again, it might be because you need to log into your LinkedIn Talent Solutions account. This is usually required for managing job postings, especially if your account is linked to recruitment solutions offered by LinkedIn. Next, you will be looking at a list of your active job postings. Go through the list and locate the specific paid job posting that you want to close. It's crucial to ensure that you are selecting the correct post to avoid mistakenly closing a different listing. Once you've identified the correct job post, you need to look for an option such as Close Job, End Job, or something similar. This option allows you to deactivate the job post, making it no longer visible to potential job seekers. After you click on the option to close the job posting, you might see a confirmation prompt. It's a good practice to read this prompt carefully, as it serves to confirm your decision. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm your action. And that's it, your paid job post on LinkedIn is now closed. Keeping your job postings up to date is important not just for administrative accuracy, but also for maintaining professional integrity on LinkedIn. I hope this guide has been helpful, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to manage your job listings. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy networking.